Welcome to DecoFlame, manufacturer of environmentally friendly bioethanol fireplaces designed by Kel Thompson. DecoFlame produces a wide range of fireplaces for the customer who values quality, functionality, eco-friendliness and uncompromising Scandinavian design. DecoFlame manufactures three unique types of fireplaces: freestanding fireplaces, wall-mounted fireplaces, and as something new, the unique built-in fireplaces in standard or custom-made measurements. Among the freestanding fireplaces is a wide range of models that freely can be placed anywhere in the home without any difficult installation. The fireplaces are ready for use directly out of the box. Our selection of wall-mounted fireplaces can easily be mounted to the wall, adorn the living room, kitchen or something else entirely. DecoFlame's fireplaces can be placed anywhere without the traditional requirement of chimney or flue. As something new, DecoFlame can also present built-in fireplaces which can be integrated seamlessly in any wall, for example in the kitchen, living room or dining area. DecoFlame's fireplaces are available in a number of different standard models, which can, however, be customized with a variety of materials and colors. DecoFlame's unique manufacturing facilities and professional know-how enables us to turn our clients' ideas and dreams into reality. Therefore, it's possible to customize all our standard products. As a result, DecoFlame is able to deliver innovative solutions that can supplement any room with style and creativity. Because of the use of bioethanol, there are no limitations in how wide or tall the fireplaces can be made. Only the imagination sets the limits. We greet all custom projects with a fresh and inventive approach. The fireplaces are uniquely based on bioethanol that originates from natural raw materials such as sugar beets, corn or potatoes. As a sustainable fuel, bioethanol is harmless for humans and burns without the usual smoke, odor and soot emission. DecoFlame's products are sold through carefully selected retailers throughout the world. Read more about our products and the countless possibilities of furnishing your home with our eco-friendly designer fireplaces on decoflame.com.